Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this jumbo bun in less than 5 minutes, so if you're interested in the process, keep on watching. So I'm starting on an old twist out and I'm gathering all of my ends to the top of my head. Don't worry about varying lengths because we can finesse and tuck in those shorter pieces later. Now I'm using my fingers to lightly brush any short pieces into place. After gathering all of my ends, I'm going to take a rubber band to secure them together. Now I'm taking this knee-high stocking and I'm smoothing it up the perimeter of my head. Then I pull the ends to create the base of my bun. The tighter you pull, the smaller the bun, so for this jumbo bun, you don't want to pull it too tightly. Lastly, I'm taking a bobby pin to pin my ends down in the center and finish off the bun. I continue to shape my bun and smooth any loose hairs into place, and I'm good to go. Easy peasy. So I hope y'all enjoyed this quick tutorial on how I achieved this jumbo bun in less than 5 minutes. This is a quick go-to style when my hair is already in a stretched state. Leave any questions you have below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.